Good morning, everybody. It's Chris Murphy with Compass Outdoor Living, and we're here ready to show you how we turn this into this. Good morning, everybody. It's Chris Murphy with Compass Outdoor Living. We're on site here in the southeast part of Grand Junction with a small, probably 6x8 ecosystem pond here that's just in a little bit of disrepair. So we are going to be doing a pond conversion here. We're going to actually grow the footprint on this guy. He's going to get all new hardware. We're going to be running a brand new skimmer, Signature Series biofalls, a new Aquascape adjustable rate 2,000 to 4,000 pump, and we are going to grow this footprint to 8x11. You can see in this pond we don't have any real shelving cut out in here. It's pretty shallow, so we are going to drop the depth of this down to 24 inches. We're going to put a brand new beautiful shape on here, a brand new small water feature, fish caves, lights, the whole 9 yards. And we are going to create a beautiful ecosystem pond and environment for our customers and their fish. Stay tuned.